Hello friends, Kenosha, Wisconsin, July 3rd, the weekend, right after the weekend actually. Kenosha actually does their fireworks every year on the 4th. Some places do it on the 3rd, never really understood that, but I guess we know how to do it right. But anyway, it's always super impressive down here. If you're in the area, I highly recommend making your way to beautiful downtown Kenosha on the lake, where everything is pristine, gorgeous, beautiful. There's this eyeglass place where I got these really cool sunglasses. They're called Rocket Optical Eyewear, ROCKIT. They have a brick and mortar place here in town. They also have their own vending booth set up here as well. It's pretty quiet right now. It's only, the recording of this is 4 in the afternoon, and tomorrow's the actual day of the fireworks, so it'll probably be, well, it's going to be super busy tomorrow, but a lot of fun. And Kenosha, especially for a town that's not a major city, very impressive with all the festivities, let's see, there's a big old carnival here, there's the food trucks, there's the alcohol, there's all the little rides for the kids, the blow-up stuff for the kids, caricature drawings, all kinds of stuff. It's really, really cool. And these sunglasses, yeah. It's my public service announcement for something really fun to do. Bye for now.